I figured out why children love looking up to athletes, to fighters, to people who have attracted their dreams. You see him attracted to the Michael Jordans, the Adrian Hooters. You see? Jesse, aka the Body Rocker Lauren. They see people and kids attracted to those individuals. Why? Not only because you're on TV, they are living their dreams. So when they witness other individuals making it to the destination of their dream, and they have similar dreams, it motivates them. Well, I'm here to tell you guys right here, right now, as a guy who have lived his dream, still living in his dreams on a daily basis, meaning I truly understand if I want to reach a destination of my dreams, I'm going to have sleepless nights.
I just want to give a huge shout out to our girl Liza, who's with OBG. She was able to hook us up with Celebrity Sports Academy. My wife Sabrina, this is our first collaboration, but we're looking at next year doing 6 to 7 plus more states across the nation to help 200 plus kids in each one of these camps. So listen, stay tuned. Love you guys, man.
So I thank you guys. This camp, this partnership is just beginning, so it's gonna always be memorable to me. And you guys are the first part of my first camp with these guys, so it's always gonna be memorable to me that you guys came.
Been a financial literacy partner of ours as well, giving parents the education.
All the loopholes, laid down the blueprint, deposited the thousands, refunded the 2 cents, broke down the roadblocks, renovate the old blocks, Curry with the range dog, winning by a long shot. Know you gotta be the change if you wanna see the change. First album was 24, 64 I lead the game. Mind but mentality, I'm a real in actuality. I pay my mama like she on salary. I'm a new wave, I'm a new man. I heard your new shit, you didn't gain a new fan. I'm tired of trash rap, I'm tired of this. That's my old code, broke down the roadblocks, renovate the old blocks, Curry with the range dog, winning by a long